Hello everyone. Okay, for Tenere 2025 off-road dongle installation, you must take out the following things. First, you must take out the windscreen. Then you will take out the side plastic panel and then the dashboard. Windscreen is easy. It's mounted on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. Now guys, the plastic panel. Start with this 3 standard bolts and then continue with the plastic ones. One is here and few is under the plastics here. To the plastics ones, please be careful with them. Just quarter rotation and the bolt will pop out. Then you can grab it and pull it out. Yeah, it looks this way. One is here and the rest is here. If you can see. 1, 2, and 3. Now you can take the panel out. It is holding on some clips, so just pull it out carefully. Okay, here is a flasher connector, so you can push it here and pull it out. You can see here are the clips or slot for the clips, which you can see here. The last thing is the dashboard. The dashboard itself is holding on 1, 2, and the third screw is from backside. Hold the dashboard to make it not falling down. It is good to place some t-shirt or some piece of fabric to make sure you will not scratch the screen when you will be unconnecting this guys. Yeah. So here you can see 2 connectors. One is here, the big one, and the small one for temperature sensor is here. You must disconnect both of them. So just push this plastic part and pull it out, and this one have also some lock. Push it and pull out. Okay, so this is the screen. Okay, now it is time for for assembly the holder of the off-road dongle. This is something you should have in the package. Okay. This is everything fitting together. Yeah. This way. And then it will be like this. This is the washer from the second side of the plastic panel. I will show you later. And the O-ring is for securing the dongle on its place, like this. Okay, this is just for showing, and we will do it on bike. So guys, now we have this part, and we must attach the holder to the place. The washer and nut. Guys, please don't tight it so strong, because you are working with plastic. It is good to let it moving a bit, because the wire on the dongle is not so long, so you will be able to rotate the dongle and find the perfect position. Okay guys, now this screw which is holding the headlight is important to us, because we use that for attaching this steel plate. So just take out this screw before you put this setup back. It is good or more comfortable to attach the cable tie into the holes, and this install back on the bike. It should be installed like this, and it will be holding this wire and two wires which leads from the dongle. Time for attaching the dongle to the holder. So, like I showed you before, attach the dongle. This wire will lead this way to the dashboard, yeah. So this will be the way, and this will be connected here to the dongle. Yeah. Here we have one empty connector. This is connector which was previously connected to the temperature sensor, and it's short now, so that's why you have this second cable in the kit. So you can connect it here and lead it back. Right to the dashboard. Yeah. Okay, something like that. Now it's time to return the dashboard. So the fabric on its place. Connect the dashboard. I have prepared one screw for the dashboard. Make sure all wires are going the right way. Now you will have to make make this nice and clean. So use the cable ties which you have in package. This is how it should look like without any issues when you're moving the handlebars. Yeah. So this is nicely made wiring. If you have some aesthetical problem with this one, you can attach it with one more cable tie, something like this way. Do not over tight the cable ties, yeah, because it can, if you push it very firmly, it can damage the wires. So just carefully, yeah. Okay guys, that's it. Now it is good to check if the dongle is working as it should. So with short push of the button, you will see, or you should see, the traction control and rear ABS is turning on and off. And if you hold for a while, the ABS system is completely off and the traction is completely off. Yeah, you also should have the memory, so you can try if it is working as it should. Yeah, there it is. You can also try, for example, or only the rear ABS and traction control, and the memory is there. So the dongle is working. Now just put everything back on the bike and enjoy your new dongle and enjoy your off-roading. Thank you.